your engine off. Pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. To take off the battery cover, take the tab of the cover and pull it upwards carefully. Do the same with the other side of the cover. The calculator stops you from accessing the battery holding system. You must pull it out. To do this, take it in your hands and pull it upwards. Once free, pivot it to place it on its side so that it doesn't get in the way of the following steps. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a socket wrench and an 8mm socket, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Pull up the fastening latch on the positive terminal to disconnect it. Push on the tab on the right of the battery so you can pull it out fully. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. On the new battery, remove the protective covers. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Place the positive terminal back in position and flip the fastening latch downwards. Use a socket wrench and an 8mm socket to put the negative terminal back in place. Ensure that both terminals have been inserted properly. Put the calculator back in place, making sure to slide it onto the rails. Put the back of the battery cover in place first. Ensure it is clipped in properly by using the little spurs on the base. Then repeat the process for the front of the cover. Operation completed.